Opel reveals facelift Astra hatchback and sports tourer. Sharper design gains illuminated grille and sportier bumper. Powertrain options include diesel, hybrid, PHEV, and electric. Update: we've added official images and technical details for the facelift Astra and Astra Sports Tourer, just released by Opel. SUVs may dominate sales charts across Europe, yet compact hatchbacks still hold a quiet appeal that refuses to fade. Following the facelift of the Peugeot 308, Stellantis is turning its attention to the updated Opel Astra, a sibling in spirit and a direct contender for the VW Golf's enduring territory. The sixth-generation Astra L, launched in 2021, marked a clean break from its GM past, adopting Stellantis architecture for the first time. 4 years on, it's due for a mid-lifecycle update designed to keep it relevant in buyers' minds and strengthen its position against Opel's steadily expanding SUV range. The model remains instantly recognizable, with changes focused on the front end. The Opel visor grille now incorporates broader LED elements framing the illuminated Opel Blitz badge. Together, these create what the company refers to as the Opel Compass, a design signature that will appear across the lineup. The Astra has also gained a redesigned bumper with glossy black trim between the intakes. The profile and rear end remain largely unchanged, but the new 17 and 18-inch alloy wheels add a fresh note. Besides the traditional 5-door hatchback, Opel has applied the facelift to the Astra Sports Tourer. Other wagons in the compact segment include the Peugeot 308 SW, Toyota Corolla Touring Sports, Hyundai i30 Wagon, VW Golf variant, Seat Leon ST, and Skoda Octavia Combi. The interior is basically the same, but the ergonomically designed Intelli seats that were previously limited to high-spec trims are now standard across the range, offering greater comfort. The seats are upholstered in a recycled and recyclable material called Renew Knit, and are available with multi-stage heating, electro-pneumatic lumbar support, massage, and memory functions. While the Astra retains the dual 10-inch displays, Opel says that the cockpit and user interface of the infotainment have been made clearer and more intuitive. Opel didn't get into details about the powertrain lineup, which is expected to mirror the facelift Peugeot 308. That range includes a 1.5-liter turbo diesel producing 129 horsepower, 96 kilowatts/130 horsepower, a mild hybrid 1.2-liter turbo petrol with 143 horsepower, 107 kilowatts/145 horsepower, a 1.6-liter plug-in hybrid delivering a combined 192 horsepower, 143 kilowatts/195 horsepower, and a fully electric version rated at 154 horsepower, 115 kilowatts/156 horsepower. The Astra Electric benefits from a larger 58 kilowatt-hour battery that increases the WLTP range by 34 kilometers, 21 miles, to a more respectable 454 kilometers, 282 miles, and supports V2L, vehicle-to-load, functions for charging external devices. The facelift Astra will make its public debut at the Brussels Motor Show in January 9 ahead of its market launch in European markets. Details on pricing and availability will be announced soon. The compact model faces a competitive field still led by the VW Golf and the related Peugeot 308, while also contending with the Toyota Corolla and Hyundai i30, as traditional players like the Ford Focus and the Renault Megane have recently abandoned the segment.